Good morning, students. We have completed about insertion of picture, insertion of clip art, insertion of word art. Now we will learn how to insert shapes in MS Word. So what we will do? We will go to insert tab as because we have to do insertion. So we will go to that. Just see, this is our insert tab. I will click on that. So I got the option shapes. Different shapes. While preparing my document, if I need to insert any shape, I can do that. So I will click on shapes. As I will click on shape, you will see a drop down list of varieties of shapes will come. The very first one is recently used shapes. It means when I worked, I used these shapes recently. Okay, and there are broadly 6 categories of shapes. These are lines. You are having different varieties of lines, like you see. Then rectangles. We are also having a variety of rectangles that we can use or that we can insert in our document. Then basic shapes. Basic shapes means these are the shapes, basic shapes that we need: heart shape, double rectangle, triangle, parallelogram, moon shape. So these are the basic shapes. Then come to the next category, that is called block arrows. Suppose we are preparing a poster and in that we need arrows. So we are having these varieties of arrows that we can insert. After this we are having equation shapes. Suppose we are preparing a maths question paper in that, then we need these signs: plus, minus, multiplication, division, etc. Then flow chart. Suppose we are preparing a flow chart. Flow chart is actually a systematic representation of any program or any events. Then we need these shapes. Stars and banners. Stars and banners. We need these kind of shapes also. Call outs. Call outs, suppose you have seen in the cartoon, they think about something, then these call outs are being used. So basically we are having 6 varieties of shapes. That's lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flow chart, stars and banners, and callouts. And the last category is whatever shapes we will use, it will come into the recently used shapes. So these shapes we can insert in our MS Word document. Now I'll show you how to insert it. Suppose I have taken a rectangle. This rectangle I like, just I'm zooming it. Okay, this one I have taken. I clicked on it, then just see one plus arrow will come. I will click it. I will point my arrow where I want to, and I will drag. The size of what size we want, we will drag up to that. See. Now my rectangle has been inserted in my Word document. As I will insert this shape, a format options. Again, when you will insert, then only you will get this option. Means unless and until you will insert a shape, how you will do formatting? First we need that. So when I have inserted this, I got the format. And variety, suppose if I click on this, it will change. Color is changing. Just see. Then these three, as we have learned in the word art, exactly in that way we are having shape fill, shape outline, shape effects. So we can use all these 3 buttons. So this you can do by your own. Okay, and okay, I'm just, if I'll shape fill, I'm clicking, you just see. I'll change the color, it will be changed. See, texture is what pattern kind of things. If I want to fill this, so first we have to insert the shape, then only we can format it. We can do the changes whatever we want. Now come to the shape outline. Again, yesterday also we did dashes. If I want to make this, it has been changed. Again I will click on this, I'll get the format option, and effect if I want, I will check on that. So many effects are there. 3D rotation, let's check. Just see, it is changing. So first what we have to do, if we need any shape in our MS Word window while preparing a document, we can insert, and as we have inserted, if we need, then we can format it. And what are the formatting that we can do? We can fill the color, we can change the outline, we can put the effect. These are the basic formatting that we can do with the shapes. So what we did actually, we have to learn about the insert tab. So when we have gone to that insert, we have learned how to insert a picture from picture option. It means that is how we can insert a picture that is there in my computer or laptop. How we can insert a picture from clip art into our MS Word document. We have learned how to insert shapes and do the formatting. We have learned how to insert word art also. Now one thing is that we can insert symbols also. Suppose I am preparing something in that symbols are required, so that also I can insert.